Okay, so here we go. Section 1.4, supposed to be graphing ordered pairs and on the coordinate plane. And so we'll see your point Q is at 4 comma 2. So what that means is the first part is the horizontal, which is the left right. The second part is the vertical, which is the up down. In this case, is basically just right and up because they're both positive. So 4 2 means go over 4 to the right from 0 and then up 2, which puts us right there for point Q. Okay. Now let's do another one. I don't know. Just pick a different point of basically random. How about B, number 4? So B is supposed to be at 8 6, which means 8 right. So over right 8, up 6. So I go up 6, so it looks like it's right there. We would put a little B there. So 8 6. Okay, now for number 7, it says write the ordered pair at that point. So here's J, which is what number 7 is. It's right 4 up 1, so it is 4 comma 1. Okay. Let's say pick point H. H is over here. Oh, H is a good one because it's just over. Didn't go up any, so it's just right 8 up nothing. So H is 8 comma 0. Then we'll look at number 15. I'm not going to do 16. You can do that on your own. But 15, I have to go through here, and I have to graph these. So I have to express them as a table in a graph. So 3 comma 7 is 3 for x, 7 for y. 1 1 is 1 for x, 1 for y. 6 5 is 6 for x, 5 for y. 2 4 is 2 for x, 4 for y. So go over 3 up 7. Over 1 up 1. Over 6 up 5. And over 2 up 4. So these are my 4 ordered pairs. Domain then, because that's the next part. What's the domain? What's the range? Well, domain are your x values or your inputs. Range are your y values or your outputs. So domain is 3, 1, 6, 2. Range is 7, 1, 5, 4. Now, it's up to you if you don't like those not being in order, because sometimes I'm kind of picky myself when I'm doing these problems and I'll put it in order. You can. Otherwise, just leave it. It's good. Okay. And then the last problem we're going to look at is last problems are on the back of the worksheet, numbers 1 and 2. Number 1 says, Kate lives at the home found in the origin of the grid below. Her friend Hector lives 4 blocks east and 6 blocks north of Kate. Place his house in the grid. Well, here's the deal. If you look at our north, east, southwest, here's our thing. It's north, east, south, west. When I was in school, we learned you start at north going up and then go clockwise like a clock, and it's never eat soggy Wheaties for north, east, southwest. So if you forgot that. So anyway, Hector lives 4 blocks east, so I got to go over 4 blocks to the right because that's east. And then here is north. And 6 blocks north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll just put a little H there for Hector. Okay. Now number 2 says, Gail lives 3 blocks west and 2 blocks south of Hector. So here's Hector's. I have to go 3 blocks west, 1, 2, 3, 2 blocks south, right here. So there's Gail. So where does Gail live? Gail is 1 block east, 4 blocks north. So 1 east, 4 north. Looks like it says least. It's 1 east, 4 north. Okay.